First, start the wire feeder. Set the corresponding time and speed parameters. After the setting is completed, click the Run button to confirm. Then click Operation Simulate. To test the running effect of the currently set time and speed parameters. Inside the machine, it can be seen that the wire feed guide wheel has started to run. This button is the manual feeding. The machine will feed the wire at the fastest speed, generally suitable for changing the welding wire. This button is the manual pump back. The wire that has already been sent can be withdrawn. Remove these from the corresponding accessory bag, hose, wire guide wheel, wire feeder and guide cap. This is a set of wire feed guide wheels for the wire feeder, 2 in a group. Open the compressor and set screws. Pull out the guide wheel to see data imprinted on both sides, corresponding to the 2 slot sizes respectively. If I choose a size 1.0 wire, then I need to install the 2 wheels that belong to 1.0 facing inwards. Then replace the screws and compression. This is the wire feed linkage. Assemble it with the corresponding end of the hose. After tightening, remember to tighten the reverse screw for secondary fixing. This is the wire guide cap. Insert the wire guide cap into the linkage head. Loosen the wire feed hose set screw of the wire feeder. Connect the end of the installed wire feed hose to the wire feed outlet. Insert in the corresponding position. Be careful to prevent it from rubbing against the wire feed guide wheel. Tighten the wire feed hose fixing screw to fix it. Then the other end of the hose. Find the wire feed clamps in the corresponding wire feed accessories and installed on the other end of the hose. Also need to pay attention when installing. Tighten and secure the screws. Prevent slippage. Wire feed tray also needs to be installed. First, pass the welding wire through the groove of the guide wheel. Insert into wire hose. Run the wire through the entire hose and reserve enough length. It is fixed on the welding torch head with the wire feed clamp. Connect the transparent tube of the welder to the gas tank. Use nitrogen, argon, or clean air. Adjust the air pressure to the range of 0 to 1 megapascals. Connect to 220 volts and connect the live wire, neutral wire, and ground wire. Unscrew the start-stop switch and start key switch of the welding machine. Manually test for gas output. If there is, it can be used normally. Currently shown is a process library for a 1000-watt welding machine system. We can adjust the parameters according to the actual board used. Here you can choose the corresponding material and thickness. You can also set more parameters in settings. Come to a more detailed match to suit our work. Open the shutter before welding. But if no soldering is done within 15 minutes, the shutter will automatically close for safety protection. Reuse requires reopening the shutter. Please choose whether to use a wire feeder according to your needs. To start the wire feeder, you need to turn on the wire feed button on the screen of the welding machine. Clamp the iron clip for electrical grounding to the workpiece to be welded, or on a welding platform. When everything is ready, press and hold the light-emitting button of the handheld welding torch head to emit light for welding.